Just to impress. If you've seen my other video, you know what I'm dressed up as. Whenever I come up, then you would know. If you're in this video and you're signed in on YouTube or something, or if you see this, which I told the chat, as you know, yeah, if you're here, please. Anyways, if you're in this game, please tell me in the comments. I will subscribe to so, yeah. I'm getting everybody. Don't make me want more just to impress videos, you know? So yeah, don't mind my or my TV. Don't mind my TV. I really don't if it ain't even walking, I'll pick it up. Can't hear ants walking. No matter how loud they stomp, you can never hear them. Unless if you're like psychic. Don't know what psychic has to be doing with that, but oh well. Waiting for okay, kind of. But waiting for the last bit of freeze takes like 1,000 years. They have a splitting pose. Huh. Anyways, congratulations to the 3. I'm gonna end this video now. Make sure you like and subscribe. Anyways, bye!